Hi, my name is Leslie Roche, and I am a Cooperative Extension Specialist in Rangeland Science and Management at UC Davis. And today I'm going to give a summary of some of the work we've been doing on public lands grazing and water quality. Public lands make up a significant part of California. Approximately 60% of California's rangelands are managed by federal, state, and local agencies. These public lands provide critical forage sources for many ranches, which closely connects them to private lands management within individual ranching operations. Over the years, there have been general concerns among the public that have been raised that livestock grazing degrades water quality through microbial and nutrient pollution, potentially threatening human and ecological health. In the past 25 years, a multitude of organizations, including the University of California, government and non-government organizations, as well as private landowners, have come together and partnered to address these issues on livestock grazing and human health across public lands. Recently, there has been quite a bit of focus on federal lands, which have multiple use mandates to balance diverse resource use activities, including agricultural production and recreation, and so they have been at the crossroads of a growing debate about the compatibility of livestock grazing and provisioning of clean and safe water. So, in response, in 2011, the University of California, the U.S. Forest Service, and multiple other collaborating partners worked together on a study of public lands grazing and water quality conditions on 5 national forests across Northern California, covering a broad range of environments and resource use areas, including grazing, recreation, and non-use comparison sites. In total, we monitored 155 sites throughout the grazing and recreation season and looked at indicators of fecal contamination as well as nutrient pollution in surface waters. To date, this study has been the most comprehensive water quality survey in existence on national forest public grazing lands. And we found that the vast majority of sites met U.S. EPA recommended E. coli benchmarks. As well, we found that observed nutrient concentrations in surface waters were considerably below levels of ecological concern. And so, under modern federal public lands grazing management practices, we found that cattle grazing, recreation, and provisioning of clean water can be compatible goals.
For more information on this topic, we invite you to view a more in-depth presentation that provides science-based insights and conclusions. You can find this and other ranch water quality presentations on the UC Rangelands website, and look for the Water Quality Information Hub or direct your web browser to the URL shown on this slide.